Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Honda Civic in Greenville Roblox. To begin, you'll need to ensure you have enough in-game cash. The Honda Civic is a popular choice, and it's only available for purchase directly from the main car dealership within the game. There isn't another way to obtain this specific vehicle, so heading to the dealership is your first and only step. Once you're in Greenville, open your map and pinpoint the main car dealership. It's usually a large building clearly marked. Make your way there, either by driving another vehicle or using a teleport if available. Upon arrival, approach the entrance and interact with the dealership system. This will bring up a menu where you can browse all the cars currently for sale, including the Honda Civic. After opening the dealership menu, scroll through the options until you find the Honda Civic. Select it, and the game will prompt you to confirm your purchase. Ensure you have the required amount of in-game money. Once confirmed, the Civic will instantly appear for you, ready for you to hop in and start driving around Greenville. You can then explore its features and enjoy your new ride. Now that you have your Honda Civic, take it for a spin. Explore the expansive Greenville map, cruise through the city, or head out to the scenic routes. Don't forget you can also customize your new car with different paint colors and performance upgrades at the garage. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your new car and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.